Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy new week to you guys. So today's video I'll be using onions for my hair. So I'll be showing you the two ways you can use onions for your hair grow, for to stop hair loss, to thicken your hair, and to promote strong hair grow. So now I'm going to be using two small size to medium size of onions, red onions. Okay, so you can use any onions of your choice. Just I decided to use the red one because I love the red onions. So now I'm just going to put the onions into my blender. Then I'm going to blend these onions. To my returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. Also, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share if you can. So now the onions is smooth, so I'm just going to pour that little part inside that little pot. Then I'm going to use this one for my for my other one, which is the oil. So this one I'm going to add so I'm going to add olive oil to this one. This is the olive oil that I'm going to be using, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any other oil of your choice, any oil that work for your hair with for this and DIY oil. So you can use any oil. So I just decided to use olive oil because I also love to use olive oil. So then I'm going to put the oil in the stove and then allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to really cook it like fry it. No, we are not going to be frying it. We are going to be doing the cooking method. Now as you can see, the oil are separate from the water. The water is now down while the oil is on top of the onion. So now you know that your onion oil onions oil is ready. So I'm just going to use a strainer to strain out the oil. So now that is for the oil. It's time to make the juice. So now I'm going to also use that same strainer to pour in the juice, the onions. Then I'm going to strain out the juice. So we are going to be using the juice, not this part, this other part. We are going to throw this away. So now our onions, everything is ready. This is the onions juice, while the other one is the onions oil. So now I'm just going to see how beautiful this look. I'm going to pour inside my applicator, my spray bottle, so it's going to be easy for me to use. Don't mind me, I don't use a funnel quick way. So I ended up messing everywhere. So now it's time for me to apply my onions juice to my hair. This is the first step, to apply the onion juice to my hair. So guys, here is the onions. You can see the oil is on the top while the water is down. I'm going to add a few drops of my chip tea oil so that the smell of the onions oil can go down a little. So trust me, with this oil that I add to it, the onions did not smell at all. So now that I've added that treaty oil to that my DIY onions oil, so I'm just going to set that aside. So now it's time for me to apply the onion juice to my hair. Just use this as a kind of deep condition. Leave it for 30 minutes, but my I must leave it for the whole day. So guys, I'm just going to continue to apply this. Onions is good for our hair. Onions help to prevent hair loss. Onions also help to promote healthy hair growth. Onions help to thicken your hair. Like if your hair is so tiny when you use onions on your hair is going to be thin, like grow so fast. So that's why we use onions on our hair. So this kind of be two ways you can use onions to grow your hair. So you can use the juice or you use the oil. So for this video we are going to be using the both, the two. So just I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair, then I will be back to show you what I'm going to do after this. Okay guys, now I'm done applying the juice to my hair. I'm just going to massage it to my scalp, then I'll cover my hair with a plastic bag. Then I will allow this to sit for 30 minutes to an hour. So then I will be back to wash this out of my hair. So guys, I said 30 minutes, but I end up leaving this over almost 4 hours, guys. So because I was busy, so ended up sitting on my hair for about 4 hours. So it's okay, it's nice. So now I'm just going to rinse this out. Then I'm going to rinse this out, then I will shampoo my hair, condition, and do the rest of the wash day. Okay guys, I've already rinsed that out. This is how my hair is looking like. So I'm going to use this shampoo, this banana Garnier banana shampoo, to wash my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys this for you guys to know what I will be doing next after using the juice of my hair. So I just need to wash my hair, condition, do your normal wash day routine like shampoo, condition, and deep condition your hair. That is just it, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm done with my wash day. Now it's time for me to use the oil on my hair. So that is the oil on top and the juice at the bottom. Just shake it, then use it on your hair. So I'm just shake it now. I'm going to use it on my hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So after applying this to my hair, I'm just going to twist my hair to put it in a protective style. Okay, you can do this treatment like twice a week if you want to see a very good result. Like the oil, I'm going to use the oil again on my hair during the week. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is how you should use onion juice for your hair, for hair growth, to stop hair loss, to taking your hair, and to promote that healthy hair growth that you're looking for. So guys, thank you. I appreciate you guys. I will see you all in my next one. Okay guys, now I am done applying the onions oil to my hair. So this is how my hair is looking, so beautiful and shiny. So I'm just going to leave my hair like this. Maybe during the week I will still use the oil again on my hair, so to encourage hair growth and to stop hair loss. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay blessed and stay safe.